In this lesson, we'll pause and give our report a makeover. We'll start by adding borders to our visual, adjusting spacing, and tidy things up. To add a border, let's select our first visual and go on to our Format Visual section. In general, you will see an Effects section. Expand this, and under Red, there is a Visual Border option. We will turn on the toggle on this, and you will see a border appear around the visual. We can further customize our border by setting its roundness. In Rounded Corner section, we will set pixel to 5. Once that is done, you will see on your visual the edges of the border have become a little rounded. Now let's apply borders to all of our other visuals. When you select pie chart, you will notice that on your right side, the window from Format section has remained the same. This is a very user-friendly feature of Power BI that it keeps the settings open as per your last visual so that it is quick for you to make the same changes for your next visuals. So here what we will do is we'll quickly turn on the toggle and set the roundedness to be 5, and I can very quickly go on to each visual and apply the same settings. You will notice how quick and convenient this makes editing our visual. Okay, so now that we have the visual borders, let's adjust their sizes and arrange these visuals in a better way. As I arrange these visuals on the canvas, let's discuss why layout is so important in Power BI. A well thought out layout isn't just about making the report look nice. It's about making the data story clear and easy to follow. When your visuals are organized in a logical order, viewers can better understand the insights you're trying to convey. Power BI's canvas is valuable real estate, so making efficient use of the space allows you to fit in more meaningful visuals while still keeping things organized. Resizing visuals can help free up room for additional charts or details without making the report feel overcrowded.
Now this is starting to look professional.
You're right. With this clean layout, we are setting the stage for even more powerful insights. Let's add those in the next lesson.